So this is what my hair looks like. I know it looks insane, but we're gonna fix that because I have a trip coming up soon and I gotta do a glow up real quick. A, we're gonna buzz my hair, and B, I'm gonna dye it blonde. Wish me luck.
Here's what I'm using to dye my hair. First up, we got bleach powder, then 20 volume cream developer, ash blonde toner, brushes and a mixing bowl, a cape for the haircut, and lastly, tin foil saran wrap and gloves.
Bro, I'm shaving my head.
Here's the backstory. I saw these photos on Pinterest. It said they got hella aura. Let me get my aura up too. So I watched a couple tutorials on YouTube, bought the products on Amazon, and then called my friend over the very next day when I got the delivery. This is gonna be the first time I'm ever dyeing my hair, so hopefully everything goes well.
All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. This is how much progress we made. When you get a buzz cut, it looks like you're balding just because you can see your scalp, but we're getting there. You know, the glow up is on the way.
When you get a buzz cut done, you gotta make sure you have all the lines and edges super crispy. So that's what my friend is working on right now, and this is what the finished product is. I think he did a pretty good job, and now it's time to move on to the dyeing.
Now, to dye the hair, we are gonna take 2 ounces of the bleach, 2 ounces of the creamer, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil that's supposed to be good for your hair and whatnot. And we're gonna put it in here.
As we started mixing up the ingredients, I got a little bit nervous because now it was time to finally dye my hair and there's no going back. But then I remembered I had to do it for the plot. Now, I mixed everything up until it got into this consistency. Then my friend applied it to my head and made sure that he had coverage everywhere as well as on the roots.
It's turning blonde. It's probably been on for like 5 minutes. The burning sensation has kicked in, but it's like a 2 out of 10. Yo. All right, so we finally applied all the bleach and it's probably about like close to 2 a.m. right now. It's only been like maybe 10 minutes while we were applying this and it's already turning blonde, which is crazy. The pain right now is about like a 2 out of 10. It was a 6 when my friend was applying it, but now I barely feel it. We're just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, put tin foil on top. After this dye, my hair is probably gonna be like a darkish blonde, maybe ginger color, I'm not sure. So we're gonna correct that with another bleach that's probably gonna happen next week. You guys, palming my head is crazy. You left fingerprints on this, bro. What if my hair falls out? No, you gotta get like some better foil, dog.
It's a good one.
There's some ratchet setup, but we're gonna take some disposable camera pics, chill out for a bit, and then wash it off and see what color happens. So it's been about 30 to 45 minutes and my scalp is not really burning too much. I really don't feel anything at all and it's time to finally wash it off. Even while the bleach was being applied, it literally looked blonde. So I'm excited to see what it actually looks like. Come, let's wash this off real quick. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm a little bit nervous, but we're gonna get it done. It's yellow. It camera looks yellow.
It is yellow. It is a blonde. It's really dry though. Ready? This is all white.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. You look like you're going Super Saiyan, bro.
So while this is step 1, my first thoughts are like, wow, I look insane. Somewhat regretting this, but you gotta trust the process. I'm trusting the process right now.
Who doesn't want to see the yellow man, bro? Simpson. Goku, bro. Sorry.
This is what my hair looked like the next morning, and here's what my hair looked like a couple days after.
1 week later.
All right, so this is what it looks like 1 week later. As you can see, it's like there's some different color spots that kind of lighten up a little bit, and there's black underneath because my hair grows quick. So we're gonna get the dark spots first, and then we're gonna bleach everything over, and then we're gonna put toner. Hopefully it turns out good, because like I'm gonna have to go bald if it doesn't.
So we did this 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I was pretty tired, so I didn't get too many clips, but we mixed the bleach and applied it all over my head.
All right, so we're putting the bleach again on my hair for round 2. We're just gonna put it on for about 20 minutes. We'll put the plastic on, and then we're gonna put the foil on. I don't know if this is the correct method, but this is the only method we got going right now, so we'll see what happens. I'm more of like a YOLO kind of person, so 19 minutes have passed. We're just gonna check if, I don't know, it looks good, and we'll see. We'll go from there. Dude, I look like some next guy, bro. I look like I have a swimming cap on.
Wave check.
Wave check.
Wave check. This guy's got waves, bro, for days, no problem.
Bro, it's an ocean.
After a quick check, we realized we need to keep the bleach on for a little bit longer, so I let it marinate for another 10 minutes.
Please be good.
This is what it looked like after the second bleach and washing my hair.
It looks cool. I feel like some shady right now, low-key. Still can see a little bit of black poking out, but I don't really care at this point because I just want to get it done.
Now on to one of the last steps. I took the ash blonde toner and mixed it with the developer, then put it all over my head.
Alright, so this is what the toner looks like on. I'm gonna leave it in for about 10 minutes just to get like a cooler blonde, make sure all the oranges are gone. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks good. Otherwise, my boy's worried that it's turning too white, but I said trust the process.
Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, time to show you the end result in 3, 2, 1. This is what it looks like, and honestly, I'm really happy with the result. I got the blonde color I wanted, not too yellow and not too white. It's pretty impressive considering this is the first time dyeing hair for both my friend and I. Make sure you guys check out the vlog from my week-long LA trip to get a better idea of how the hair looks. I'll be releasing the vlogs next week, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to get notified.